Welcome back to my channel. Here a task is given for the proc step options. Okay, how many proc step options we have? 4. Title, footnote, yes, no OBS and double. Okay, now so you can see here the first task is nothing but write a SAS program to print a data set. Okay, it is not saying now read a data set. To print a data set, we need to write a SAS program and include title, employee, data, and footnote also. It is asking to do confidential information. Use the title and footnote proc step options. These are the proc step options, right? Yes. So how can we do that? So I'll write one data set, that is data emp is my dataset name. Okay, I'm giving input, ID and age. Okay, cards, semicolon, then I'm giving ID as 101, 102, 56, semicolon, run, semicolon, and I'm giving proc step, proc print data equal to my dataset name is emp. Okay, semicolon, run. This is my simple data set. It is asking title and footnote for us. So proc step options used inside the proc step only. So after this we'll write title. Only one title is it is asking, right? If so, title, single quotations, employee, data, or what it is asking, just we'll see here, employee, data, right? Okay, and footnote with a single quotation I'm giving here, and the footnote is confidential information, right? Okay, you can give single quotes or double quotes for the title and footnote. There is no issue in that. Okay, so done this one. I'm running this. Okay, so you can see the footnote confidential information. When you scroll up, you can see here your title as employee ID, right? By default title is the SAS system, right? So I have given title employee ID. Okay, this is my task, right? Done. Footnote is also visible here. Okay, then next task is what? Print a dataset without displaying the observation numbers. I need to print a dataset without the observation values. So for that, what we will use? No OBS. Where we will use? Yes, beside the dataset name we use no OBS, right? So it will not print the observation values. You can see here footnote and that one will be visible, right? Footnote title will be visible. We have removed the observation values from here. Okay, yes, without displaying the observation numbers. This is my task. Okay, so if you're really understanding what I'm saying, okay, if you're satisfied that my teaching is good for you, you are able to understand, means give a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask, and I hope it's clear for you. I am there to help you out. Slowly my subscribers will increase, and I'll also try to upload more and more videos in this YouTube channel.